Hey everyone! In today's video, we're tackling the ultimate tablet face-off, the iPad Pro M4 versus the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. If you're on the fence about upgrading your tablet or diving into your first big purchase in 2025, this is the video for you. I'll walk you through everything from processing power to gaming and editing performance, so you can make the best decision for your needs. Plus, I've dropped links in the description for the latest prices and deals to help you save some cash. And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It means a lot. Let's get into it. When it comes to build quality and design, both the iPad Pro M4 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra Screen Premium, but they each have their own vibe. The iPad Pro M4 is ridiculously thin, just 0.21 inches and weighs less than a pound, making it Apple's lightest iPad ever. Its sleek aluminum unibody feels sturdy and high-end, though its slim profile might make you wonder how it'll hold up over time. The display is stunning with sharp, vibrant visuals. But the device does have a slight flex to it, which could be a small concern if you're looking for something ultra-durable. On the flip side, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is also built with top-notch materials, but its larger size and weight give it a more substantial feel. The massive 14.6-inch AMOLED screen is almost all display with barely any bezels, making it a real head-turner. That said, at 1.58 pounds, it's not exactly lightweight, and the glass back and metal frame, while premium, can make it a bit unwieldy for long handheld sessions. It doesn't feel fragile, but its size does make it less portable compared to the more compact iPad Pro. As for ports, the iPad Pro M4 sticks with a USB-C port that supports Thunderbolt 4, giving you plenty of versatility for connecting to hubs, displays, and accessories. However, it doesn't offer the wider range of ports you'd find on a laptop. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra also has USB-C, but it skips Thunderbolt 4, which limits its connectivity options a bit. Both tablets support styluses, Apple Pencil Pro for the iPad and the included S Pen for the Tab S10 Ultra. But Samsung gets bonus points for throwing in the S Pen right out of the box, adding a little extra value for users. When it comes to displays, both are top tier, but they cater to slightly different tastes. The iPad Pro M4's tandem OLED screen is a showstopper with vibrant colors and deep contrast that make it a dream for creative pros who need pinpoint color accuracy. It's sharp, bright, and just a joy to look at. On the other hand, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's 14.6-inch AMOLED screen is no slouch either. It's equally vibrant and offers excellent contrast. But when it comes to brightness, the iPad Pro takes the lead. While the Tab S10 Ultra can hit 775 nits in HDR content, the iPad Pro goes even brighter, making it the better choice for outdoor use or if you're chasing that extra pop in color fidelity. Now let's talk cameras. The iPad Pro M4 has a 12-megapixel rear camera that gets the job done for things like scanning documents or hopping on FaceTime calls, but it's not going to wow anyone looking for serious photography. The front camera? Well, let's just say selfies can look a bit pixelated even in good lighting. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's cameras are in a similar boat. Its 13-megapixel rear camera is decent but doesn't hold a candle to most modern smartphones. The front-facing camera is fine for video calls, but it's not going to replace your phone for anything more demanding. Keyboard and touchpad functionality is where the iPad Pro M4 really shines. Its Magic Keyboard is a game-changer, offering a great typing experience and a built-in trackpad that turns the tablet into a legit laptop alternative. The catch? It's sold separately, which adds to the cost. Samsung, on the other hand, includes an S Pen with the Tab S10 Ultra, which is fantastic for note-taking and creative work. But it doesn't come with a dedicated keyboard accessory like the Magic Keyboard, so if you're planning to do a lot of typing or work on the go, the iPad might feel like the better fit. Battery life is another big differentiator. The iPad Pro M4 delivers a solid 13 hours of runtime, easily getting you through a full day of work or binge-watching your favorite shows. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, despite its larger size, falls a bit short here, offering just over 9 hours of use. It's fine for everyday tasks. But if you need a tablet that can go the distance without needing a recharge, the iPad Pro is the clear winner. When it comes to performance, both pack some serious power, but the iPad Pro M4 takes the lead. The M4 chip, with its 9-core CPU and 10-core GPU, is a beast, delivering faster processing and better graphics performance compared to the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus in the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. In real-world use, the iPad Pro M4 absolutely shines in demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and other heavy creative work. Multitasking is a breeze, and the responsiveness is top-notch, even when you're pushing the device to its limits. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, while no slouch, can't quite keep up. Its MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus is a step up from previous chips, but it still falls short when it comes to handling high-res video editing or complex graphics compared to the iPad Pro. Gaming is another area where the iPad Pro M4 pulls ahead. It handles modern titles like Wuthering Waves and AFK Journey with ease, delivering smooth gameplay and crisp graphics. Plus, the iPad Pro stays cool even during long gaming sessions, making it a fantastic choice for mobile gamers. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, on the other hand, does well with casual games, but starts to struggle with more graphically intense titles. You might notice some frame rate drops, and while the MediaTek chip handles multitasking efficiently, it doesn't quite match the iPad Pro's gaming performance. Both tablets are powerful, but the iPad Pro M4's processor and GPU give it the edge, making it the better choice for creative professionals and gamers who want a smoother, more powerful experience. Alright, after breaking it all down, which tablet comes out on top? If you're looking for raw power, a brighter display, blazing fast performance, and reliable battery life, the iPad Pro M4 is the clear winner. Its M4 chip handles even the most demanding tasks with ease, and the Magic Keyboard turns it into a legit laptop replacement. But if you're all about media consumption, note-taking, or just love that massive screen for creative work, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is still a great option. That said, in the grand scheme of things, the iPad Pro M4 takes the crown in 2025,